Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Now your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Please do enjoy. Now, today we are gonna do a curry fish stew. Curry fish stew. Sounds almost like the chicken stew, curry chicken stew, but it's gonna be like total. The preparation, the things that we're gonna be using are gonna be different. Some of them are gonna be familiar, but some are gonna be different. Cause you know we treat fish different from chicken. But the preparation, the whole cooking aspect of it, it's gonna be a lot different. It's gonna be more hectic. Yeah, when you hear me say hectically, Lord Debbie, don't stress. Don't stress. Relax. I just want you to relax. In this curry fish stew, this is maybe the first video I'm gonna show you how you have all burners, your stove burners running at once, and you're not to panic. I'll show you how you're to gauge your stove with all 4, 6, or 8, 10 burner if you have running, and you don't panic. Okay, curry fish stew, that's what I said. So the very first thing I have here, some sliced fish. This is trout. I wanted to get kingfish. They are more firmer, but I did not get the kingfish. So what I did, I cleaned them and I have them in some vinegar and salt. The vinegar and salt is to, the vinegar really is to cleanse it, but the vinegar along with the salt is to get them more firm up. You know, look at this there, you know. So I wanted to get them more firm up, so they can remove now. So when I remove them, I'm gonna remove them and put them on like a coal and the like. You're gonna leave them to drain because we are gonna want them all dry and nice. Okay, and you see what the vinegar and the salt did to it? It cleansed it, so they are all white and pretty. Okay, so that is how the very first thing, that is how you want to have your fish steaks looking. So if you can get the kingfish or whatever fish steaks, don't get the ones like Banga Mary, them soft, you know, they are not firm. Now we will be using, let me remove this, some cauliflower, some broccoli, some sweet potatoes, carrots, and onions. All of these little things. But these three are like the base of what we're going to put the stew together with. And of course we're going to have some pinners. Like me never ready for camera, did not take the pinners thing, but no problem. Of course you have your system. I have my good up curry. You see the hello. This is wasn't a curry bottle, but you see the color of my curry. I hope you have searched for a color curry like this. Some of you all are asking what brand. I can't say if it's a specific brand. I've been buying this curry for almost 10 years. It's like a factory, so I don't know what the name they sell it in, but can I tell you, it is really good. You know, somebody that is familiar with Jamaica said, Debbie, when we buy my seasonings, yes, they sell it, and it's somewhere on Princess Street, yes, in Kingston. When you come to Jamaica, try find out and go get it. It's a good curry. They sell it in bulk like a factory. Now we will be moving right over here. We have 4 pots over here. We're going to use this to burn our curry. This is like a little steamer. We're going to steam our sweet potato cubes. We're going to be frying our fish inside this. And right here we have some fish broth sort of going on. So we have it, we have it like it's at a half cook. So we have it going on. We're going to use some fish broth to put this together. So when we return, I'm going to tell you more about the fish broth. You'll see where I'm going to go. And I don't think I have to show you how to prepare your broccoli and your cauliflower. You know how to do that, man. So we're going to go now, get these all prepared. Return, we are going to start the ball rolling. Okay, now family, we come right back here. We just burn some garlic in our oil. Burn, when we say burn, not burn up. We have burn up and burn. You know, we get it brown because we want to infuse this oil, this garlic flavor into the oil. So watch what happens now. Look at what is happening. We have this here. We burn the garlic on almost to low. We have Jessie. Everybody know Jessie if you're new right on over here. This is the masterpiece of my kitchen. Jessie. want to know the regular. We're gonna burn some scallion inside Jessie. Because that's in there where we burn all curry that we cook in there. Because you have so many pots attending to, you have it on a next to low, medium to low. Therefore, the scallion is being burned to a certain part. After a certain point, we soon add in the curry. So it's like you're going, but you're going at a medium pace. Therefore, nothing will be left unattended. Nothing will go wrong. Nothing will get burned. Our oil is here. It was preheated on low. It's still on low. But the fact that it's on low, the pot is still hot. We took our fish out. They have been drained. And they were soaked. I think one is here. This was supposed to come out. They were soaked in the salt and vinegar, so we don't need no more salt. All we need to this is a little black pepper. So we have a chicken slice with fish slice. I want to take me. So you're gonna just rub on a little black pepper. Your pot is really hot. Look at this. Even though it's on low, you can bring it up now to almost to medium. Because you know, if you have not yet visited that fried fish video, please go check it out. If you're new, please check out my fried fish video. How you fry fish. You don't fry fish on a high heat, you fry it on a medium heat. So let's proceed. That is what we're gonna be doing. Right here, our steamer here. Wow, it's really hot. Please don't do as I do, y'all. Look at this. Gotta be careful we don't want any water coming up. We're waiting on the water come to a boil. We're gonna steam our sweet potato cubes. Me soon come back and tell you why we're gonna steam it. So inside here we got our scallions burning on the medium, and we're gonna let it go and burn. So we're gonna finish putting our chicken. I keep saying chicken or fish inside here to fry. And when we are finished, we'll return to show you how we are going to cook the curry. I'm going to show you some scallion and go in there and it's still not burned because it's on the low. Okay, now come right in now, camera girl. Our fish is there, shallow fat fry now. On the medium, with all you have to do is just watch yourself. Learn to sight if it pops your side. That's it. It's okay. Look at our scallions right here. It's ready for the curry. Whoops. This is what I'm going to use, a spoon and probably a quarter. Now you're going to carry it up now, a little bit. Okay? Alright. Look at what I'm doing, y'all. Eat up a little bit. The water is here. Your steamer is here. It needs some attention. Look at it. It needs the attention. The water is boiling and it's coming up. Learn to size. We add our potato cubes in some cold water to prevent them from oxidizing or turning black. Scatter that out in there. No salt for right now. I'll show you when to put your salt. Cover, cover, cover. The head must be running or you must be firing on all 5 cylinders when you're doing this. You can be on 2.5, it ain't gonna work. Right over here, you notice the curry burning at a slow pace. So you're doing it at a slow pace. We are making the curry, pre-cooking the curry sauce inside of Jessie. So you know she is the queen of burning curry. Big up to Jessie. Because we're gonna pre-cook it in there, burn it in there, which is pre-cooked. So when we're ready to eat, you will see how we are going to incorporate everything. We put our Irish potatoes to steam. We not have to trouble them again. Not Irish or sweet potatoes, I'm sorry. Maybe going too fast. And we still have a little thing over here. We get it on back. We want it to all boil. These are some small fish like sprat and whitening. We want the broth from them. We have it boiling in here with a few pegs of garlic. So we are going to strain it. It is what we are going to use as liquid to put the stew together. Okay? Now, we have our broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. We're not through. We need another burner, but we ain't got one for right now. So if you have one, you could put it on. We're gonna blanch like our beef in some boiling water. But when we return, the first burner already, we are gonna have it ready for that. So fish is here frying up. Hello. Do not turn, and these fish, they will go bad. They will break up. When they are ready to turn, they will signal you. Signal with a bit? Yes, they will signal you. Right in camera, girl. You will see the bottom part of it all brown properly. And when you flip your thing like this, it will just slide over. Do not trouble it. It's on the medium. Let it fry on the medium until it's firm, firm, firm. Okay? Fish frying off, curry burning off on the medium, sweet potatoes in here being steamed, chicken broth, fish broth being coming up to par, all of that. So, okay, now fish them signal we ready to turn. You see what I'm talking about? Do you see what I'm talking about, you all? Okay. Maybe not everybody going to signal you one time. You see what I'm saying? Okay, so as soon as you have been signaled, you will know. So you just flip. Okay, look at what is happening right over here. Potatoes been steaming up. You see the colors up, the color is changing, and I'll tell you why and for what reason we steam the potatoes. Right over here, we have our curry getting all things. You should have your kettle been on the boiling, as you all know. So we are gonna put some water inside here now to do this curry thing. Okay, y'all? Look at that. So now that you are stirring the curry and you add it on a medium, you're gonna carve up the curry flame a bit. Right? Curry flame gonna come up a bit. So we're gonna leave the curry inside there so to go on finish. Okay, when we return, you'll see how far we reach. Eh? Okay, now family, we are right back. The first thing you see, we have the curry gravy there. The curry, it's just cooking on the medium. Medium. We have finished frying off our fish slices, and this is what it looks like. Firm and crispy. Okay? Now we have the pan that we used, or skillet, to fry the fish in. So we don't want this excess oil. So let us do it over the sink to be safe. Okay? We don't want no oil in this. That is a stew business. But even though we don't want the oil, there is some nice goodness inside there that we do need. So we're gonna have it there. The first and foremost thing we want to is to get a little of this fish tea noodle flavor mix. We want some of it. We don't want the noodles, we just want this. So let us do it like that. It's your hands, your kitchen. So you just, and we don't want the noodles in it, because sometimes the nature of these things, them kind of, you know. So we're going to sift out a little of that, because we want the strainer to strain some of our fish broth. But at the same time, you have to be smart, because if you wet the strainer, you're going to have a problem to sieve out this. So you sieve this out first. So we don't want the noodles. Okay? We have a fish broth here. We want some of our fish broth to start building a base for this stew here. So we are strain off some of our fish broth. You see what we have in there? All whitening and sprat and all of that. So we have some fish broth. We might want some more, but we'll see about that. So now we want to have all of this thing going on right in here. Now we're gonna need to get our curry gravy inside of this. But not now. Our potatoes, they have all steamed off. You see how them look? Okay. Now right here, we've got our broccoli, our cauliflower, and our carrots. We're gonna remove one of these things that have been finished from one of our burner, because we don't have enough burner. So we're gonna leave now with some boiling water from our kettle. We're gonna use one of those burners to put it on and to shop them. So we soon come back. Whilst this is here with this little niceness going on, real nice, really beautiful, and these 3 pegs of garlic that we used to burn, we can return them to sender. because nothing is wrong, it's okay. So this is our fish broth, not stock, but broth inside there going on. We soon come back. You know, family, we're right back here. We see we turn out we curry gravy inside our fish broth. So the next thing now, the very first thing we want to put in this gravy is the peanuts. Why? The peanuts them take longer to cook than everything what we are going to put in there. We have the water right here. It's coming to a boil because we are going to put our veggies in there for about a minute or a minute and a half. But we want it to come to a decent boil. So putting in our spinners, we have our fish fried off. Don't make these spinners too large as the other ones. This is a different setting, so you have to work with the plan. You understand? So we have put our spinners inside there, and that is what is happening right now. So waiting on the water to come to a boil. We'll soon return. Okay, family, if your kitchen stay like mine, you're gonna need something to sip on. I'm sipping on water. You could be sipping on a Sprite. No problem if you sip on a Sprite, huh? So our peanuts in, we're gonna break off some garlic. Fish, so as much garlic as you think you'd prefer. We're gonna grate some ginger. Grate to the amount that you have. Ginger and then something that have much grated ginger. Wow, the ginger smells so nice. Woo! Clean scallion, rugo. In. We have some in there, but we want the freshness. Water boiling, right on over here. Put these in there for another minute or minute and a half. Uncovered. You want it on high that when them come out, them have a pretty nice color. Halfway cooked and all of that. That is happening. Now, you want to finish with this. We are building because the fish is almost cooked. It's just fried. We're gonna have these all almost cooked. The sweet potato is cooked, so we have flavor of this. I'm putting in some basil leaves. If you use powdered seasoning, you can go ahead and put your powdered seasoning at this point. We're putting in our bell peppers. Use your colors of choice. Let them be so pretty. Put in your onion chunks. You're going to need some onion chunks, but we'll leave all of those in the description. All of this is being done on a medium heat. Our kettle is boiling over there, or it has already boiled. Flame up at this point a little bit to full medium. Some hot water to bring this thing up to the maximum amount of liquid. Okay. Now, this is fish. Okay, we have a little pimento powder here too. But we want to put a little bit in it to gig it up. This is fish. Some people don't want in or nothing with oyster sauce. Use another sauce that you can use to substitute it. But I'm putting in probably about a tablespoon of oyster sauce inside of this curry fish thing here. Okay? Because I know the color and the flavor. I know the flavor that it is going to give it. So look here. We are going to need a little piece of pepper. I don't know, say a fish, you know. So, we don't want to turn up the thing too much because maybe kids have to eat. So I'm going to put like this piece here in there. Okay? We're going to leave this. We have it up to almost medium, uncovered. We're going to leave this. Occasionally stirring because you want to get like a little body to the stew before you put in. Because as soon as you put in everything, you're going to put it in like for about a minute or a minute and a half to get the curry flavor. Just go through the thing there. So now go in there a long time with the and the boiling and the ready making. You see what I'm saying? So you got to have it almost ready. So not really occasionally, but probably I would say constantly stirring now on the medium. When we return, we should be ready with everything, and we're going to wrap up this curry fish stew. Okay? Okay, now you see the stew? It's coming on. It's coming on. These are ready to leave the hot water. Be careful. So you need to put it into something that is draining. Whatever, strainer, colander or whatever. But it seems like I'm having a problem here. So be careful. So we can turn our flame off. Remove them from the hot water. We are carry them right over there. So go tap the cooking process right on right about now. So I'm saying, and my husband did the carrots for my family in the plan because the carrots were supposed to be the same size as the broccoli and the cauliflower, but he might help, but you don't know, in the plan. Sorry for that. But you must make your carrots and your florets and your broccoli and your cauliflower be the same size. But those your key plan. So leave that under the water. My water pressure is so low. And if you have a bowl of ice water, we want to start the cooking process. Because guess what? Can I say something to you? Well, they're not going to cook until they become saggy in this thing, you know. So we'll continue. Okay. We're ready to put in our fish slices. And I'm going to show you how them going to stand up. Wow, this is looking so pretty. Alright, this two years already, you know, it's not a long tongue thing. Okay. All in. Remember, we have the sweet potato, you know. Huh? All in. Medium heat still. Medium heat still. Look at what I am doing. Look at what I am doing. Gently, gently let these vegetables get right down into this curry fish stew. Gently, gently, gently. Let them stay there. Let us taste right now for the flavor that we have. In case we want a little more salt or a little more of anything, we will know. All me want here right now have to eat one more time. Yes, not too salty. Notice I didn't put any salt because that the maggi thing, it has salt in there. It's they put a lot of salt in there. And we had the fish. Now you're gonna use your sweet potatoes just to put them right off. The sweet potato now is gonna stay now. And let me get the cover for this. Coming to you. Right down back to medium. It's a little more than medium. The sweet potatoes are gonna stay in there and give it a little extra body. 1 minute and almost low. This will come back in our family. We had it on the medium. Now we're near to come off now, you know. So we flip it up back to high. Because you want it to come down to a little, you know. You notice it's coming down. Look at the body. You notice it's coming down with a little body. But because it will stay there and burn, you know. So you don't want it to stay there. So you gently, remember gently, because you don't want the vegetable and you don't want the fish slices coming apart. So gently now. Gently. So look here now. At this point, we are going to turn off our flame. And you're going to leave this stew to rest for 15 minutes. When we come back, we'll be plating. Okay, family. We left it to, you know, just to rest. And we come back. So we'll plate up some of this thing here for you. Okay? Let us, you see our fish slices, they're coming out all. They stood up to the curry stew down business. You see what I'm telling you? So let us try to get up. Because I'm going to show you, you don't plate up this thing anyway, you know. You get your fish slices out first. I'm going to show you. This is a bit different, as I told you, from the curry chicken. And this one, it must not be thicker. That's why I use sweet potato than this fish. So we know why, because you have a lot of vegetable. So here's how you do it. Wow. So you put the fish at the bottom, then you spoon all these niceness over there. You can take out your scallion as you go along, but hello. Do you eat scallions? I just eat my scallion like this, you know, because it's not poison. I eat flavor the food, so when I throw it with her. But if you want, do your thing where you want, baby. Do your thing. Your thing is your thing. My thing is my thing. We all have our different thing. So look at this. Remember I told you, you know, don't make this thing here come thick and thick like when you take a sack your cow skin punch. No. That's not how we serve this one. Put the fish at the bottom. spoon the veggies and all these little niceness, spoon them over it. So you have the fish resting in this nice stew. Tamara girl, what are we supposed to be doing there?
Cleaning up the plate.
Okay, we're going to clean the edge of our bowl. Clean rag, sensibly, wiping, because sometimes you're trying to clean but you end up making more mess. So look at this. You put your index finger in the rag and you come right around and you come right around. That is the beauty of most presentation, you know. The cleaning, the cleanliness or the cleanness of the container that you use to plate your stuff in. Look at it. This is what we have. Make we fix them up because they look like them kind of linear. So, no sir. Look at this. Lovely, lovely curry fish stew. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, to your plate, to your dinner table, to your family table, it's horrid fish stew. You saw me. I did it from scratch. Please do enjoy. And hello, there is a fly flying around here like him want to make it be the garnish. Be careful you all. We don't want to fly garnish our own. So now, please remember to like, please remember to share, and most of all to subscribe. When you do subscribe, remember to smack the bell. So as soon, hello please, you don't know what is going to happen next, you know, because Father's Day is on the rise. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you to every single one of you that have hit and are continuing to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Remember, those of you who would like to make a donation to the channel, you can go to the about section of my channel up there. There is a donation button. When you press it, it will lead you to your donation, whatever. Thank you so much. Thank you for those of you who have been donating. Thank you so much. And those of you who would like or are going to donate, thank you in advance. Debbie from Dongayard, bless. This was a little stress, but I showed you how to deal with it.